Hi guys, so I'm going to be doing my very huge squishy experiment number 2 and I'm going to be putting in the freezer also. So yeah, and the squishes I'm going to be putting into the freezer is the squishies that I got today from Damia and Squishy Cafe. So yeah, so I'm going to be putting in this pancake which has defects already. And this is their squishiness. Then next I have this character. And it's very squishy at the nose because it's like super like chubby thingy. And yeah, this is the squishiness. And I don't know why is this like, oh wait, it's like the thing that you got, can take out one. This like thingy that I don't know. So yeah, this is the squishiness of this. Then I got this Winnie the Pooh Raymond, and it's licensed at the back and it's super textured. So yep, this is the squishiness, and it's super squishy. And sorry for my voice, it sounds very weird. So I have this. Then I have this Pluto, I guess. Yeah. And this is the dog from what is that called? Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, I guess. I don't know. So yep. So this is the squishiness. It's very squishy also. So I have this. Then lastly for this like I don't know how to say, this group from Squishy Cafe Squishy, I have this Chip and Dale Squishy Raymond, and this is the licensing and super textured. I don't know why. So yeah, this is the squishiness, and this is softer than the rest, I guess. So yeah. Then next I have this squishy that I got from Damia. I have this dumpling, and it's super squishy and soft. There are defects, but I don't really care. And the tag that she made herself, and this is like super cute tag. I don't know why is that word. I'm not really clever. They say don't eat this. So it's very cute. Then next I have this chunky donut with like defects inside there, but I don't really care. And this is airy, like it's very airy, and I put the lanyard myself, and the lanyard is like an extra from Squishy Cafe. Okay, let you listen the air. Okay, so listen Okay, so I don't know if you can listen just now, but yeah, it's very airy and super squishy and soft. So yeah, I have this. Then I have this Cafe D and ice cream soft serve. And yeah, there is defects, but I also don't care. I don't really care about defects or whatever thing, but yeah. And this is not squishy at all, but it's very soft. So I'm like very excited to see how this turns out. Then next I have this Best School Jackie character, I guess. And there are tons of defects, but I also don't really mind because I want to get something Best School. So yeah, it's very squishy and super cute. So yeah, that's the squishiness, the license at the back, and the tag. So yeah. Then I'm going to be putting in this mooncake, and I think this is an extra, I guess. So yeah, it's super squishy. Then I have this rainbow donut and the tag, and it says freshly made, which is like super funny. And yeah, I wonder how she decorated until like so nice, and there are like no drips at all, cause when I decorate like the paint will like drip down. So yeah, it's very soft. So yeah, I have this. Then I have the 2 ice cream. So the first one is the purchase one, and the tag, and it says produced by Nick. And yeah, I've been wanting like this kind of squishy for a very long time, and this is actually quite hard but squishy. So yeah, it comes in this pink ball chain. I have this. Then for the trade one, I got this, and I actually like this than that. I don't know why, because there are like drizzle and like sprinkles. And this is super soft and squishy, and squishier than that. And this is the semi one also, and there are like air bubble. Where is the air bubble? Here. And there are like air bubble here, and defect set here, and air bubble. So yeah, this is the tag also. So yeah, and okay, so I'm gonna find something to put my squishies in. So yeah, okay, hold on. Okay, so I found a random box from like this thing, and I'm gonna put the squishies in, and it's quite small. Okay. Okay, so the squishies are all in this box, and yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting in for like 15 minutes, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna be bringing it into the freezer. Okay, so the squishies are in the freezer already. Start. Okay. So yeah. While waiting, these are the squishies for sale. So yeah. Okay, sorry. It's like super weird. Okay, hold on. So this is gonna be a very long video. So yeah. And I'm going to be doing the I meet up with somebody just now, which is Sherilyn, and she bought squishies from me, so she gave some extra also. So okay, hold on. The money came in this baggie. Focus. Okay. So yeah, and I really like this baggie because it's like the feeling is like different than like the Ziploc bag. Okay, let me take it back. And the extra she gave is this 2 straw thingy again. Focus. Okay, sorry. The camera doesn't want to focus. Okay. So yeah, she gave this 2 again. Then she gave this jar thingy, and I don't really know what to put it inside. Oh. Okay, this is more clear. So yeah, time to do something worthwhile. So yeah, just tell me what to put inside, because I don't know. And she gave this homemade squishy as an extra. And yeah, there are defects, but I don't really care. Like seriously, I don't really care about defects. And it's already like 11 minutes now. Oh my god. So yeah, and the sponge, I know that is from Daiso one. And I don't really like the sponge there, cause it's like you can like, I don't know how to say. But yeah, I really like this, cause it's like super soft. The sponge you get there is like super soft. So yeah, she gave me all this, and it all came in this baggie. So yeah, and I'm gonna charge my phone now cause it's like 20% ready. So yeah, I'll be right back with the squishies. So yeah. Okay, so the squishy came. Okay, so I put inside the freezer for quite a long time, I guess. So I'm gonna take it all out. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this squishy first. So I have this pancake, and let's see the squishiness. So it's actually squishier, if you can see. And yeah, the softness is still the same. So this is a thumbs up, and I'm gonna put it here. And then this, I don't know why is there a hair. So this is also a thumbs up, and it's very funny if you like. Okay. So yeah, this is a thumbs up. Then this poo. We need a poo. Oh my god, this is so hard but very squishy. This is super hard. So I have that, and this is a thumbs up also. Oh my god, it's so hard. Oh my god, this is super squishy. Yeah, but it's super hard. So yeah. Then I have this Chip and Dale, which is quite soft, not really that hard. Oh my god. And it's super squishy. And sorry for my voice, it's very weird. So yeah, this is the thumbs up. Okay. And then I'm gonna do this. So I have this chunky donut. Oh my god, it's super hard. And this is actually a thumbs up also. Like, yeah. Then I have this Cafe DN soft serve. I'm going to be doing this quick, so maybe the camera isn't focusing. And this is the same softness, and I don't know if this is, and I don't really know if this. Oh yes, this is a thumbs up, because from the start when I squish it comes back up, right back up. Okay, so yeah. And this is like squishier. So this is a thumbs up also. But I'm not sure, so maybe you can just tell me. Then I have this Basco. Oh. Okay, it's very squishy. And it's not really that hard. The tag. the license is super squishy. They have this mooncake. And I put inside the freezer for more than 15 minutes. So yeah. Because I'm too lazy to walk to the kitchen and take it out. This rainbow donut. Oh my god. Like yeah, this is a thumbs up also. I have this tag. Then this dumpling. Yep, it definitely changed, I guess. So yeah, we have the tag also. Then now is the ice cream, and this is the treat one. Oh my god, it is super squishy. So this is thumbs up, of course. Then I have this, which is also the same like softness or hard, but yeah. Yeah, it's definitely a thumbs up also. So this is a tag. So okay, hold on. So the squishies are all in thumbs up, a thumbs up. Okay, sorry for my feet. So yeah. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and sorry for this super long video. Like, sorry. Okay, hold on. So yeah. Look at that. So yeah, I'm very proud of like the end, like yeah. So yeah. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll do more like video, but you have to like comment down below what video to do, because I really don't know, and they are all super cool. So yeah. So thanks for watching this video. So yeah, bye bye.